How to add your logo to your certificate template. Open the certificate document that you want to personalize. Click Insert, then go to Shapes. Select the first option, the text box. Draw the box to the size and where you want your logo. Once completed, go back to Insert, then select Pictures. From here, select your company logo and then Insert. You can align the logo by clicking Home and then the required alignment option. To remove or change color of text box, click on the outline, then Format, Shape Fill and select. To remove the outline or change the color, then click on Shape Outline, select your preferred option. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo to your certificate. How to change colors and font of your certificate. On your open certificate, click Design and then move to Colors on the right of the menu bar. You can make a selection from available colors and make your own branded custom colors. To do this, scroll to Customize Colors. Then work through your color changes. Click Save once you are happy with the results. To change fonts, move to the menu bar and select Fonts. Scroll through, seeing which font would work best for you. You may decide to add learner outcomes and objective to the back of your certificate. This will help learners complete their training records. Any changes you make to your course, remember to update the back of the certificate too. And that's it. You've successfully added your own choice of colors to make the certificate unique to you.
Want to change certificate template?
To browse the selection of templates available on Word, click File and then select New. Then in the search bar, type Certificate. Here you will see potential design templates. Select the one that is the best fit for you and then personalize with the previous instructions. And that's it. You've successfully personalized the appearance of your certificate. Thank you for watching.